Give me 3 of your most memorable nights on Stur Mars.
I think one of the favorite one I went on, we have on the white suit.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, when we have on the white suit, that's one of the most favorite one. Then I can remember next night.
Hold on, don't move yet. Tell me about that dance there when you guys had on the white suit. Why did you guys have it on? Did you guys plan? What about that event there in particular?
No, that was something was bigger than me that time, and I never know. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause that was like a rally, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, but I never really, whenever me just check card, me DJ and I dance, me just DJ. But me know so we really get some bossy clothes for we come, because them saying we go to a merchant tailor, and the tailor make everybody suit for the night, white suit, you know. Because if you notice, my suit it even make like a different. Yes. Me have a long tail suit. So when I touch all the dancers and super cats say, "Hey, Burro Banton, your jacket tail long. Are you like you them bring for ram skate long?" All the while I say I shouldn't even DJ right there. But me look too bossy.
Yeah.
I'm not telling you the truth. If you notice me on the stage, I stand up one place. But now I move my shoes about me.
Yeah.
Yeah, come get this brand new shoes. And when we put on the first time, I never feel the bird, but when we come at the party though, whoa, me have to kick the heel for try to get like a space down on the toe. You know, so it's
yeah.
But that night was one of the special night on the sound. That night was really special. It was so nice. Because if you notice, even after, everybody joined in.
Yeah.
Even man now, because that night now, Cutty Ranks get fame. Boss, because when I say, come in, Cutty, my apprentice.
Okay.
You know?
So he wasn't one of the big DJs yet when you guys got
I'm never been a big DJ yet. Cutty never really been a big DJ yet, you know. But through me and Cutty was too sufferer. Because Cutty really come from around Gemini sound, you know.
Cutty too?
Yeah. Me go at Gemini, go see Cutty. Yeah, Cutty was at Gemini before me.
Did not know that.
Yeah, because all of us have licks. Not true, hear them say, yeah, big DJ, they have lift sound box too, you know.
Okay.
You get me? Put on the back of the truck, and sometimes you have to drive at the back of the truck with the sound box too. You know, so, but true, me didn't know Cutty from them time, and Cutty was like real friend. Because Cutty up to now, me and Cutty come in like, when we want to buck up, I like two brother buck up.
Yeah.
We might don't see each other every time, but anytime we buck up together, it is so good between me and Cutty. Because we're coming from that far, when we never even know we don't have anything. You know, so, with this, you know, my leg of Cutty on Stur Mars, right, that's, you know, again, because evening was on Stur Mars before me.
Okay.
Yeah, I go to Stur Mars, go see Cutty. You know, when you're in Jamaica and I try to make a thing go on, you move around.
Okay, as DJs those times.
As DJ, yeah, because if you are going to nothing, not going to find the next one around, so and you will get a pay. You got to go DJ too, something you look, you know. So, I just Cutty get at the first night that Cutty get the big crowd. For going now.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Crazy. And what were the others? Give me another 2 nights on Stur Mars there.
One night now, I remember Stur Mars play down at Mandeville. Where other night, you know, me really say, Tenor Saw bus. Because 2 of them buck up the night, Tenor Saw and Cocotte.
Yes. I know which cassette which dance you're talking about here.
Yeah, it minds up, you don't know DJ's not on it. Maybe Super Cat talk for a little while. But I just 2 man them sing out the dance. So when it reached to ring the alarm, another sound is dying. I say gunshot like a rice grain. When I tell them, we just stand up and look and over say yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like something happening, you know? Yeah. And then we see tenor side just come and make this big star and gone big up. You know, see it? Yeah, it come from right there.
Yeah. Big.
Big. Yeah.
One other night there.
Well, no, yeah, when that's a night now where it's like this up on the border, a Westmoreland and we're down there in the country though.
Mm-hmm.
Like the Black River on that side.
Yeah.
You have a big corner, turn to Westmoreland side.
Mm-hmm.
And I tell you, say, it's on a Sunday night. Oh, it's coming like a fear. Yeah, this that wasn't a dance.
Mm-hmm.
This is a fear because so much people and the place is so big, and it just make it look like a box of matches. That's how the crowd tick in.
Yeah.
I say yes, you know, Stur Mars, and it was very nice around Stur Mars sound.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.